Hey guys, Jacob Coyle here with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we are going to take a look at the Harris Solstice 26-foot tri-tune. We have a 2019 that just came in. Come on, take a look with me real quick. As you look, bow of the boat, plenty of room for entertainment, plenty of room for people. This boat has no shortage of space for all your guests, all the kids, all the family members to come on the boat. What we have here is we've got the dual helm seats. Okay, so not only can the captain be very comfortable, but also whoever here is the navigator, whatever you want to call it, they can be very comfortable too. As you take a look over here, this particular boat, we do have the Simrad GPS there as well. Got a little glove box here, and we do have your JL audio stereo. As you can see, right above me, right, we do not have a bimini top on this boat. We've got the party deck up top. And take a look at this support, right? Look at how thick all of this is. This is part of the Harris quality. This is why Harris makes the high-end, the high-quality tri-tunes. As you come back a little bit further, again, even more seating back here. Plenty of room for everyone to enjoy a fun day on the water. This particular boat, we've got a 300 Merc Verado power in it. So this boat will definitely get up and go, scoot around, take you everywhere you want to go. Let's go take a look upstairs. Take a look at how easy it is to get up to the fun deck on this particular boat. Great handles here, nice stairs. We also have the sea deck right here on the step and the ladders, so that way you have a little bit of grip. Plenty of things to hang on to the whole way up. Once you're up here, unbelievable amount of room. Get some beanbag chairs, lay them out here, get some lounge chairs, you name it. Tons and tons of space up here. And best part of the whole thing, check out the slide. What better day to spend on the water than on a 26-foot tri-tune with a beautiful slide like this?